Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Netflix on your Mac using a simple trick. Since there's no official macOS app, we'll create a web app that works just like the real thing. Let's dive in. First, open up Spotlight by pressing Command plus space, or clicking the magnifying glass in the top right corner. Type Safari and press Enter to launch it. Then head over to netflix.com. Now go to the top menu bar, click File, and choose Add to Dock. A small window will pop up. Feel free to rename the shortcut if you want, but I'll keep it as Netflix. Hit Add, and boom, you'll see Netflix right in your dock. Even though this isn't an official app, it behaves just like one. It opens in a standalone window, so you can close Safari and keep watching. Watch this. I'll quit Safari, and Netflix is still running. The only downside? The default icon isn't great. Let's fix that real quick. Right-click the Netflix icon in your dock, go to Options, then click Show in Finder. This will show you where the web app is saved on your Mac. Now right-click on the file, choose Get Info, or just press Command plus I. To replace the icon, open Safari again and visit macosicons.com. Type Netflix in the search bar and pick an icon you like. Download it, then drag and drop the image onto the small icon in the info panel. That's it. It's replaced. If the dock icon doesn't update right away, don't worry. You can refresh the dock manually. Open Terminal, type this command: kill all dock. Next hit Enter. The dock will reload, and your new Netflix icon should appear immediately. And here's a bonus. This method works with any website. You can turn YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, or whatever you like into a Mac web app the same way. Open the site in Safari, click File, then Add to Dock, and you're good to go. If you ever want to remove one of these apps, just right-click the icon, choose Show in Finder, drag it to the trash, and empty it. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, drop a like. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.